So hello guys, today we talk about group buys and if they are worth it. But before that, let's have a sound test of this wonderful endgame keyboard that my friend let me borrow to document his keycaps and keyboard. This is the E7 keyboard. Um, it has an FR4 plate. It's gasket mounted. He did some modifications listed in this video. Um, I was able to try out this keyboard a couple of months back and I really fell in love with the design. I think that the back design of this keyboard is really cool, and this keyboard has the black cherry pies in them, which are really good as well. They are really end game worthy switches. However, the price is also insane. It will take, I think, 3 switches to build this Franken switch, but the end result is really good. I love the typing feel. I love the sound. Wonderful end game material keyboard. So here's the sound test, guys. Right, really nice, really nice. But that's not our topic for today. Our topic for today again is, are group buys worth it? The longest group buy that I have had to wait for a keyboard was with the QK65. I think that lasted for around 3 months, and I know that's not even considered like real group buy lead time. But would you want to take a guess how long these cat explosion keycaps took for it to arrive? Okay, wait for it, guys. This keycaps took 820 days. All right, that is crazy. 820 days from the time of purchase till the time of arrival at my good friend's doorstep. And I think that is really crazy. And if you're into mechanical keyboards for quite some time, you would know that group buys are really a common thing. And you'd hear a lot of people complain about GMK sets taking 1 year, 1.5 or 2 years to arrive. This thing is simply crazy. When he told me that it took it 820 days, I was totally blown away. Are the keycaps good? They're good. Really thick, good material, very clean legends. I really love it. The color scheme matches the desk mat really well. Nothing to say aesthetically. If you love this theme and this keycaps, then probably it's gonna be worth it for you. It's really nice. I do, however, am not a fan of higher profile keycaps, as I think the sound tends to become more hollow compared to cherry profiles. It's just a personal preference. Cherry profiles are my cup of tea, and the cat layout kind of takes some time getting used to. The slope of each row, not the slope that I'm used to, but it after several minutes or hours of usage, totally fine with it. So the keycaps per se, really good. The question is, are group buy lead time worth it? It depends on you. At the end of the day, again, very subjective hobby. If you see value in the thing that you are getting and you are willing to wait for it, and things like this, which are not easily or readily available, they're not in stock, and they are in a way rare, of course they will have value. Aftermarket, you can sell this probably at a profit. However, for me, honestly, personally, the wait time is not worth it. I when I want something, I mean, the earliest possible. I could probably wait 3 months, 6 months, maybe 1 year stops. But even for 1 year, I think it's too long. The excitement will probably be gone after a month or two. Just like what happened with the QK65. So I ordered the QK65, really excited, a lot of reviews coming up. And then after a month or two, I was like, I even forgot that I had it in order. But yeah, when it arrived, I was happy. I enjoyed the keyboard quite some time. Then I had to let it go because I had other keyboards. So that's my take on group buys. 1 month, 2 months, probably I would wait. 6 months or more, probably it's not gonna be worth it for me. Primarily because I don't want to wait that long, and my main fear is that during the time that I'm waiting, there would be a lot of different designs, a lot of different keyboards that would pop out. So by the time that I get my keyboard, and probably the excitement, the hype, and even probably the design might be outdated already. So that's why I don't think it's worth it. So again, very subjective take. You can agree or disagree. Let me know in the comments what you feel and what you think about group buys in this hobby. So thank you for watching. This is Talkie Doki. See you in the next video.